because you know it's... Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing tacos de al pastor. I did a tacos de pastor video a while back ago, and I got a great response from that video. Back then I was still learning, now, but now I'm gonna do again tacos de pastor the traditional way. All right, here we go. Let's turn this on. So the way I'm going to cook these is on medium low. So I went to the Mexican meat market, about a pound. They have it at $4.99 a pound. So I got 1 pound, because like I said, it's just me and my wife today. And this 1 pound should make around, I'm looking for maybe 8 tacos maybe, 4 each for 1 pound. So if you guys have a big crowd, then you guys know to get about 4 to 5 pounds. Alright, so now I'm going to put it down medium low. And I got some lard that I'm going to use for the meat, because you know that this is going to add that flavor. That. And then we add the meat. Love that sizzle. Love that sizzle sound. So this is the meat that I got from the butcher shop. Sorry. At a Mexican meat store. Remember, I'm pretty sure everybody has a Mexican meat store around their area. Just go in there, let them know you guys want carne de pastor, and they should have it. And the tacos, the carne de pastor does not take very long to cook. So if you have it in medium low, you can keep a good eye on it. I like to move the meat around all over the place. It gets hot here, move it there. Cools down, move it back over here. So pretty much what we have for these tacos is some green salsa, some onions, some cilantro, and we're going to add a little touch in some Mexican cheese. Like I said, this will not take that long to cook. Pretty easy. Once we're done with this, then we'll start cooking the tortillas. Yeah, a little bit of oil, a little bit of lard to tortillas. ready. So these are ready. This one off. Alright guys, here we have it. Our tacos are ready to assemble. Let's assemble these bad boys because, man, they look good. I do not want to wait any longer. So, our tortilla, some pastor, right about here. Right, we got our cilantro and our onions already in there. Now, you gotta have a little bit of cheese, a little Mexican cheese. Now, you know, they don't really do this. I do it because we like Mexican cheese to go over on top, just like that. Green salsa. Now, a little bit of lemon. Because you know it's about to go down. So there you guys have it. Now looks good. Now, let's try it. These are good. These, the pastor seasoning that they use at the Mexican meat markets, it's great. Phenomenal. Love the onions and cilantro. Love it. Man, it's so good. Try this. You will not be disappointed. And if you guys like this video, you guys hit that like. So hit that boom. Hit the subscribe button. More great content coming. You not want to miss this. If you guys, make sure you guys check out these videos. The Blackstone videos are on this side, and the Traeger videos are on this side. If you guys want to think about buying a Traeger, check this videos out, or stick with the Blackstones. We will see you guys next time.